Howdy, Mountain Man Dave here. We're loading up some cartridges with the Guns of the West Cartridge kit, and we're going to try those paper cartridges in the 1851 Colt Navy Pietta replica. So let's head on out to the range and see how they do. Well, the cartridges fired flawlessly in my 1851 Colt Navy. We shot a lot of other guns, but only used the paper cartridges in the Colt Navy replica. Well, the old Navy shot well and accurate. She shot a little high, as one would expect, and a little bit to the right because I was pulling it. Overall, pretty satisfied with the cartridges.
Yeah, I'm just pulling it to the right. Bullseye. Bullseye. It surprised me too. Let's see if I can hit a gong. I'm gonna shoot right next to you, Rex. Fire in the hole. Bullseye.
Well, Pard, thanks for watching. And as always, like and subscribe, and happy trails.